Every child is a different kind of flowers. All together can make this world a beautiful garden. On behalf of our class first star and our class teacher, Mrs. Aisha, and other Hindi teacher, Mrs. Pardana Parvi, I wish you all a very pleasant and refreshing morning. Also, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. We will start our assembly by praying gratitude to Almighty by reciting Surah from Holy Quran by Mazen. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. We pay homage to our motherland, so pledge will be said by Nawaf.
Everyone, raise your hand for the pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich, very daily days. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, along lies my happiness. Jai.
Let's all wait for singing school song.
आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत खुदाया मेरी लपे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी दूर दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा हो जाए हर जगह मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए वो मेरे दम से यूं ही मैं वतन की जीनत इस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की दीनत जिंदगी हो मेरी परवान की सूरत या रब उनकी शम्मा से हो मुझको बत या रब मेरा काम गरीबों की मायत करना दर्दमंदों से दैफों से मत करना प्यारी है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी.
Now to continue our assembly, let's have a delightful thought of the day by Hamza and Ibrahim.
Hello all of you, my name is Hamza Sansare. I am from Fastar. Thought of the day. To be successful in life, what you need is education. I repeat, to be successful in life, what you need is education. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Ibrahim Chandar. I am from Fastar. Today I am going to say thought of the day. As you know more, you grow more. I repeat, as you know more, you grow more. Thank you.
If you have good thought, they will shine on your face like sunbeam. Here is another thought of the day in Hindi by Ajit.
Hello friends, my name is Ajit. Today I am going to say about thought of day in Hindi. तो ये भी तम तब तक ही असंभव लगता है जब तक कि उससे दिया नहीं जाता. Thank you. Have a nice day.
As you all know, we have gathered here for Children's Day. I would like Nazim to say a few words regarding this day.
Good afternoon to respected teacher, HM ma'am, and my dear friends. First, happy Children's Day. As we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Firstly, let me tell you why are we celebrating Children's Day on November 14th. In India, we celebrate Children's Day on November 14th as a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on November 14, 1889. Thus, we celebrate his birth anniversary as Children's Day in India. Nehru was a prominent leader of India independence movement. He served as Prime Minister of India twice. He shared a lovely bond with children and very affectionate towards them. The children also loved and fondly call him Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru also believed that the children are the future of our nation. Friends, before I conclude, I would like to say a famous quote about Chacha Nehru. The children today will make the India of tomorrow. I would like to wish you a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
That was very informative. When we know so much about Nehruji, now let's call him to give us some knowledge. Here is presenting Arshan dressed up as Nehruji.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Mohammad Arshan. Facts are facts. They will not disappear on account of your lives. By Jawaharlal Nehru.
Thank you, Arshan. Wonderful. I would invite Yavi to give a speech in Hindi.
मेरा नाम याभी है. भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का जन्मदिन 14 नवंबर को आता है. इस दिन को विशेष तौर पर बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है क्योंकि नेहरू जी को बच्चों से बहुत ही प्यार था और बच्चे उन्हें चाचा नेहरू के नाम से पुकारते थे. बाल दिवस बच्चों को समर्पित भारत का राष्ट्रीय त्योहार है. देश की आजादी में भी नेहरू जी का बड़ा योगदान था. प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में उन्होंने देश का उचित मार्गदर्शन किया था. आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Yavi. Now I hand over to Eva.
I for Janice to sing a song on this special occasion. We are the birds in the garden. We are the stars in the sky. We are the birds in the garden. We are the stars in the sky. We are children. We want to shine. We are children. We want to shine. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. We are the light in the darkness. We invite Roshan, Mariam, Rukaya to give a dance performance.
जो तूने आंखों से आंखें लड़ाई, मैंने खींच तेरी पकड़ी कलाई, तो दिल मेरा मस्त हो गया, आंखों से तेरी मस्त हो गया, ये दिल मेरा मस्त हो गया, आंखों से तेरी मस्त हो गया।
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे, देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान में छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ, हम जैसे देखे ये जहां वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख तरह फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोले। बम बम बोले, मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोले।
Thank you.
It's fantastic. You can press my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, that is your creation. Let's go party. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Fantastic, fantastic. You can press my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, that is your creation. I'm a Barbie girl in the fantasy world. Party.
enjoy with this tune. As we know, we have gathered here for Children's Day. I would like to invite Afan to entertain us with his skit performance.
हाय, दिस इज सारू। नाम तो सुना ही रहेगा। बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती है सेनोरिटा। Don't understand power of a common man. डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है। Thank you.
Wonderful, my friend. Now all of you be ready for Saudi national anthem guided by Mahira. Now all of you be ready for Indian national anthem guided by Asia.
नमन अधिनायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, दावना उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उज्जल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाए तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल नायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय है, जय है, जय 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 है। थैंक यू। Happy Children's Day.
मस्ती में डोले, पापा बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। पापा बोले मस्ती में डोले। Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.